Professor Anthony Hedley of Hong Kong University's School of Public Health said at a press conference last week that a decrease in visibility in Hong Kong, thanks to air pollution, is directly proportional to an increase in death rates.
In Hong Kong, we have demonstrated that the relationship between pollutants and visibility is very strong. As I say, it's very robust. That will usually be the case in most urban or urbanizing areas, geographical areas. So yes, with making some allowance for differences in the mixtures of pollutants, the types and sources of pollutants, yes, we could use visibility across a range of different geographical areas to estimate the impact on mortality as an indicator of community health. Visibility is a readily available measure. There are very few regions that don't have at least a basic, reliable measure of visibility in order to provide guidance to aviators, to pilots. Wherever you've got an airstrip, an airfield, you will have somebody making visibility measurements and reporting that and keeping records. So that is one of the reasons that we developed this method, because it is transferable to those parts of the world where they don't have sophisticated air pollutant monitoring.
Professor Hedley says that road traffic pollution in Hong Kong is a major cause of harm to health and contributes to a decrease in visibility.
Plumes of pollutants are created from specific sources, whether it's from traffic or marine or power generation, and some of these plumes impact on specific urban areas within our territory. We can show on the index, on our environmental index, the so-called Hedley index, we can see at the roadside a very marked diurnal variation in particulates and nitrogen dioxide, those two signature pollutants that we discussed with you this morning. When the traffic starts at 7 o'clock, the roadside pollutants go up very rapidly, and they stay up until traffic flows diminish late in the evening or the early hours of the morning. This pattern is repeated every day. It's less at the weekend, it's least on Sundays and some holidays, but it's a very strong feature of Hong Kong's environment, and it's related to a very specific cause. Road traffic pollution in Hong Kong is a major cause of harm to health, and it is contributing to the impact on visibility.